Hi guys. Okay, so today I'm coming to you with another video, and today I have these two. Hearth Club, one of my favorites, and Clabber Girl, never been open. Okay, so and I also have leftover um, from my last video when I chunked up, and I kind of like eating this with the powder. It's just one of those things. So, actually, I'm going to be doing a taste tester with these two first. And then, yeah, we'll go on to the rest. Okay, so, that's my spoon. Okay. So, this one, y'all know how this made. So, I got to try and open this through. Um, okay, there we go. I don't know how I can get in here through this little bitty hole, but whatever. Okay, so first we'll try this. Okay. So that is the Clabber Girl GMO. The thing is with that, this cornstarch, Clabber Girl always tastes like black pepper to me. I don't know why it has that taste. Oh, let's do this one. One of my favorites. I love Hearth Club. Okay. This one has a bigger hole, so I can get a bigger spoon. Mm. Okay. Cloud Girl is my favorite. I just love the taste it has, the texture. I feel like some good old quality. H2O. Okay. Oh, definitely for me, her club hands down works for me. Okay, so let's do these crunches. Mm. Mm. Yeah, that was good. The taste. This has a baked taste, and it is the argo and the cream that I baked. Um, Very good baked taste. It's not burnt. Oh yeah, I like it. I'm gonna eat some more. This actually tastes alright. Look at this. I guess cream is and I go, it's already good, so. Now, I like stuff in my mouth. Maybe it ain't as stuff as some of you guys do it, but it's more than I normally do. Yes, guys, so I was just coming to you with a little short video of me eating that. School is going, well, I'm actually full-time in school now, y'all. So I go every day. And I have so much homework, and like I said, the medical field is like really, I have an exam coming up, so I've been studying for that. Other than that, everything's been good. Everything is better for me. My daughter was actually, even though she wasn't talking to me, she was trying to get some things together. So she's supposed to begin a place at the end of this month and getting her things together, and she actually has the kids now. So I'm happy about that. I went to church yesterday, me and my little son, and it was a wonderful service, and we had fun. Other than that, everything is good. As far as my health, I've been taking my iron and everything. I went to the doctor and I gained a little weight back, y'all. So yeah, but just coming to you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Everybody have a blessed night. Bye.